I thought I'd start with what do I mean by digital disruption, kind of start with the macro, and it's more descriptive, I would say, than prescriptive, but start with what I see in terms of how digital is reshaping the economy, kind of sector by sector, because I think what you're going to find is it almost doesn't matter what sector of the economy you participate in the next 3 to 5 year period, digital is going to have a profound impact. And in some sectors of the economy, in the last 3 to 5 year period, it's had a remarkable impact. In the book, we're going to talk a lot about this evolution from apps to algorithms, and that's really the source of value creation going forward in software. The key principle of digital is everything that can get connected will get connected. 5.5 million new devices per day getting connected. Every segment of each industry is effectively being consumed by the tech industry and becoming part of the tech industry. I have this visual of Pac-Man slowly eating the profit pool of each industry and effectively converting what used to be the industry's profit pool to the tech industry's profit pool. The flip side is that every participant in these industries is savvy to this, and that's this notion of Goliath Revenge. Every participant in the healthcare industry, and every participant in the financial services industry, and every participant in the retail industry is developing a digital strategy right now, because they're saying, well, unless we become a technology company and stop just being a healthcare company, or stop just being a retail company, or stop just being a bank or an insurance company or a brokerage, our profit pool is going to shrink. Companies that were not historically tech companies start to look more and more like tech companies. But you need to get to scale quickly. You need to get to global scale, because all of these markets, as they evolve, they tend to concentrate market share in the hands of a relatively fewer players than the old world did. American Airlines, United Airlines, Delta, Ford Motor Company, General Motors, Honda, Marriott, and Hilton. Those 8 companies, that's the 8, all have in common. They all have a market cap less than Uber. Uber owns no hotels, they own no cars, they have no manufacturing facilities. Uber is an algorithm. Uber is an algorithm that connects supply and demand. And in the book, we're going to touch on this idea of, it used to be about ROI, and now it's about ROIQ, which is a short form for, can you encapsulate the domain knowledge of an industry in an algorithm in a way that the whole industry gets smarter? That you take the average person on the average day and you make them look like the Einstein of the industry. That's what I believe the future is really going to be about. And the extent your algorithms and your future solutions do that, you're going to be far ahead of your competition.